What if I told you that one of the most popular business communication tools today actually started as a gaming project? And did you know that Slack's growth was so rapid that Microsoft had to take it seriously and compete head-on with its own platform, Microsoft Teams? Welcome to today's video, where we explore the fascinating journey of Slack. From a failed gaming startup to one of the most revolutionary tools in business communication. If you love learning about tech innovations, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more awesome content. Let's dive in. How Slack was born. The year is 2012. Stuart Butterfield, the co-founder of Flickr, was working on an online game called Glitch through his company Tiny Speck. Unfortunately, Glitch wasn't doing well financially. Facing the reality that the project was failing, Butterfield made a tough decision. Instead of wasting time on a sinking ship, he and his team decided to pivot, taking an internal tool they had built for communication and transforming it into a standalone product. That tool? Slack. Slack stands for Searchable Log of All Communication and Knowledge. And this little project was about to change the way businesses communicate forever. Slack's rapid rise and key features. Slack officially launched in February 2014, and within just 1 year, it had over 500,000 daily active users. By October 2015, that number had exploded to 1.7 million. What made Slack so unique? Unlike traditional instant messaging tools, Slack focused on persistent and asynchronous communication. It introduced team channels, making it easy for organizations to keep discussions organized. It allowed third-party integrations with apps like Google Drive, Trello, and Zoom, turning Slack into more than just a messaging app, but a productivity hub. Slack quickly became a game-changer for remote work and tech companies. But not everyone was happy about its rise. The battle with Microsoft Teams. By 2016, Slack had become so influential that Microsoft took notice. Right before launching its competing platform, Microsoft Teams, Slack published a bold open letter in the New York Times saying, "Slack is here to stay." The competition was on. Microsoft Teams aggressively integrated with Office 365 and pushed for enterprise adoption, while Slack continued refining its user experience with new features like voice calls, 2016, video calls, 2016, threaded messaging, 2017. Both platforms started copying each other's features, creating a healthy competition that ultimately benefited users. But Slack had more tricks up its sleeve. Slack's big acquisitions and IPO. To stay ahead, Slack made some strategic acquisitions. 2018, acquired HipChat and Stride from Atlassian. 2019, launched shared channels, making it easier for companies to collaborate externally. Then, in June 2019, Slack went public through a direct listing on the New York Stock Exchange, reaching a market value of $19.5 billion. It was one of the biggest enterprise software IPOs in history. But the biggest moment was yet to come. Salesforce acquires Slack. In July 2021, Slack was acquired by Salesforce for $27.7 billion. This was a strategic move by Salesforce to strengthen its presence in the enterprise communication space and compete directly with Microsoft. Following the acquisition, Slack introduced features like Slack Huddles, 2021, real-time audio conversations, Slack Connect, secure communication between multiple organizations. By this point, Slack had become an essential workplace tool for businesses worldwide. Slack's lasting impact on business communication. So, what makes Slack so impactful even today? It replaced long email threads with efficient team chats. It encouraged async work, perfect for remote teams and global collaboration. It became the center of work, integrating thousands of apps like Google Drive, Zoom, and even Microsoft Teams. And that's why when Slack adds a feature, the world takes notice. From a failed gaming project to a $27 billion business tool, Slack's journey is truly inspiring. What do you think is the future of workplace communication? Will Slack remain the leader, or will Microsoft Teams take over? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech business stories. And if you use Slack, what's your favorite feature? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.